Have you ever found yourself with a check in hand, wondering what to do next? Maybe you've just been paid for a freelance gig, or perhaps you've received a gift check. Whatever the reason, you might be asking yourself, can I deposit this check into my Tide account? In today's digital age, many of us are turning to online banking for convenience and efficiency. Tide is one such digital bank that has gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and competitive features. But when it comes to traditional banking methods like checks, does Tide keep up? Let's dive in and find out. Body. Understanding checks. Briefly explain what checks are and how they work. Discuss the different types of checks: personal, business, certified, etc. Highlight the importance of endorsing checks before depositing them. Tide's check deposit options. Mobile app deposit. Demonstrate the process of depositing a check using the Tide mobile app. Show how to take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Explain the security features in place to prevent fraud. Discuss potential limitations or requirements, e.g., check amount, endorsement, etc. ATM deposits. If applicable, show how to deposit a check at a Tide-branded ATM. Explain the steps involved, including inserting the check and following on-screen instructions. Discuss any fees or restrictions associated with ATM deposits. Branch deposits. If Tide has physical branches, explain how to deposit a check at a branch location. Discuss the process, including filling out deposit slips and handing in the check. Highlight any advantages or disadvantages of using a branch for deposits. Frequently asked questions. Can I deposit a foreign check into my Tide account? Discuss the process and any potential limitations or requirements. What happens if the check is returned unpaid? Explain the consequences and how Tide will handle the situation. How long does it take for a check deposit to clear? Discuss the typical clearing times and factors that may affect them. Are there any fees associated with check deposits? Explain any fees that may apply and how to avoid them. Best practices for check deposits. Endorse the check correctly. Take clear photos when using mobile app deposits. Double-check the deposit amount before confirming. Keep a copy of the check for your records. Report any issues or discrepancies to Tide immediately. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, including the different methods of depositing checks into a Tide account and important considerations. Encourage viewers to try depositing a check into their Tide. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.